Using QuickBooks for Amazon FBA involves checking sales, expenses, and inventory to maintain accurate financial records. Here's a concise guide. Set up QuickBooks. Sign up for QuickBooks Online or desktop version. Customize your chart of accounts to include categories relevant to your Amazon FBA business, such as sales, cost of goods sold, Amazon fees, and shipping. Integrate Amazon with QuickBooks. Use third-party apps like A2X, WebGility, or ConnectBooks to sync your Amazon transactions with QuickBooks. Connect these apps to your Amazon Seller Central account and QuickBooks. They will automatically import sales, fees, and payouts. Record sales and fees. Ensure all sales and Amazon fees are accurately recorded. The integration apps typically categorize these for you. Regularly reconcile Amazon settlements to match your bank deposits. Manage inventory. Track inventory levels by setting up products in QuickBooks. Include details like SKU, purchase price, and sales price. Adjust inventory quantities as needed based on shipments received and products sold. Track expenses. Record all business expenses, including shipping costs, packaging materials, and advertising fees. Use bank fees to import and categorize expenses directly from your bank account. Generate reports. Utilize QuickBooks reports to monitor your business performance. Key reports include profit and loss, balance sheet, and inventory valuation. Regularly review these reports to understand your profitability and cash flow. Stay organized. Regularly reconcile your accounts to ensure all transactions are accounted for. Maintain clear records for tax preparation and compliance.